Chinese investment in Australian real estate has surged in the past few years, and the reasons are now becoming clearer. A massive oversupply of units and offices in China's smaller cities has led to a slump there in property prices. Combine that with China's stock market turmoil, and people are looking at ways to protect their wealth. Hui Fente reports from Changsha in southern central China.
The ailing property market is a major reason growth in China has slowed to its lowest level in 24 years. Here in Changsha, many projects have come to a halt. Sales are half what they were 4 years ago. The company behind this development ran into financial difficulty last year, leaving more than 200 buyers like 28-year-old Li Lingzi high and dry. An angry crowd smashed the display model inside the sales centre that's now padlocked.
I used to work in another province, but came back to Changsha to buy a flat because I planned to get married and live here with my wife.
What is supposed to be Li Lingzi's home is just an empty plot of land. Some were given apartments with no water, gas or electricity. Li Lingzi has lost the $57,000 his parents gave him to make the deposit. It was everything they had.
We can only rely on the local government to get our money back because there's an upcoming court case which involves this developer, a trust company, a state-owned enterprise and a bank. These guys are so influential, it's beyond ordinary people like us to act on our own.
We soon discover the failed project is a sensitive issue, as we are stopped not once, twice, but 3 times.
Hello. Can you tell him if we're on the street, we have permission to do what we want?
The property downturn is more keenly felt in China's smaller cities because of the excessive levels of construction. After all, these places lack the underlying demand present in cities like Beijing, Shanghai and Guangzhou. The recent stock market crash means people are stuck with few other investment options. That's worrying at a time when the cost of living is rising rapidly.
The property market isn't doing very well, while the risk in the stock market is even higher. The average person is at a loss about how they should invest.
Real estate agents estimate it will take around 3 years to sell all the commercial and residential properties in Changsha in the current economic climate. It's a reminder of how disproportionate the sector has become. Hui Fente, ABC News, Changsha, Hunan.